Hello, welcome to my channel. Let me take you through a day in my life. So I wake up at around 7:15, 7:20 and then I go for a little walk/run. After I take my morning coffee, I sit for the first session of my day. I go through the Hindu to keep myself aware of what's going on. और अगर कोई आर्टिकल दिख जाए जो मुझको लगता है कि मैं मेंस या फिर प्रीलिम्स में यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, आई टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दैट एंड पुट इट इन अ फोल्डर। और वो फोल्डर को मैं पीरियोडिकली रिवाइज करती रहती हूँ। जैसे कि यू कैन सी दिस आर्टिकल इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। दिस मेक्स द टॉपिक ऑफ नेशनल इनकम अकाउंटिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I don't make notes out of newspaper. I just take a mental note of what's going on in the world and in India to have a general awareness. The article beside it is also important. I just wrote an answer yesterday on this topic. For the next session, I will be solving some MCQs. I recently filled a state PCS form and I wanted to revise my factual information through these MCQs. And as you can see, इसमें UP PCS वगैरह के previous year questions दिया हुआ है. And since I'm preparing for mains now, I can't solely devote time to this. So this is a good way of revising such factual information. GS2 has always been a source of insecurity for me क्योंकि मुझको कभी ठीक से पता नहीं लगता था if I'm fully prepared for it. So this year I took the course of Sarthi IS and I'm doing GS2 from M. Puri sir. And these are his notes जिसका मैंने प्रिंट आउट ले लिया था. So far I'm really liking his way of teaching and notes भी काफ़ी holistic और clear है. Polity में 42 lectures है and I have to finish this by the 15th of December. One of my favorite things to eat for lunch is avocado toast with an omelette and I can never get bored of it. I can literally eat it every single day. And I'm recently trying this chili oil. ये इतना tasty है. This makes everything better. You should definitely try it out. लेक्चर देखने के बाद जो भी सर ने क्लास में पढ़ाया था आई जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वेरी क्विकली ताकि मेरे दिमाग में कंसोलिडेट हो जाए सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स. If you are wondering why I work out twice a day, it's because I have gained around 20 kilos during my UPSC journey because of the sittings that I gave and also because of the extreme unhealthy eating that I did. And now it's high time that I take care of my health and I don't let myself go in this preparation. जिम से आके I take a shower and do some skin care और कुछ खा के I sit again to study. I am a part of Forum IS's MGP program and this is a self-assessment test that I'm writing now. I'm having paneer salad for dinner today. This salad tastes so good. I just toss the veggies with these seasonings. I also put some sesame dressing on top and I just love this dinner. So my optional is zoology and for my last session of the day I'm going to be revising some zoology. So मेरा syllabus तो complete हो चुका है but I recently got this book. This is from Pathfinders. This is their life sciences book and this is part 1. Yeah. एंड इसमें सारे टॉपिक्स दिया है. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सप्लीमेंट सम ऑफ माय नोट्स जिसमें मुझे लगा कि आई शुड राइट इन मोर डिटेल. इसमें सब कुछ दिया है. देयर इज़ बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, देयर इज़ biochemistry, there is cell biology, and we also have immunology, we also have some of the chordate non-chordates, we have ecology. तो क्या बहुत कुछ दिया है. if you have zoology optional you can definitely check this book out. I managed to study for 9 hours and 10 minutes today. एंड दिस ऑफ कोर्स इज़ंट एवरी डे. कभी कभार बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है पढ़ाई और कभी कभी होता ही नहीं है. बी काइंड टू योर सेल्फ, कीप स्टडिंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.